Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and remove recycling deposits. Start by selecting a table for which you want to manage the recycling deposit. Inside the open order, use the control element to expand the options. If the recycling deposit function is not yet displayed, tap on the three dots to open further options. Then tap on Recycling Deposits. A pop-up window will then be displayed. Now manage the amount of deposits by tapping on the plus or minus icon. And confirm your action by tapping on OK. You will now see the total amount of the deposit refund on the display. To check out the deposit refund, tap on Cash. You then receive a notification. Tap on OK to proceed. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and remove recycling deposits.